Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to delete any text or word without using keyboard in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So from the topic you have known that I'm not going to use the keyboard that comes inbuilt with every iOS operating system. So let me give you a example. Say I will use here a messages application, iMessage. So say I will just start writing some words, right? So I will just type some words like hello everyone. So I have started typing this word. So now if you click on this back button or the close then or delete, then it will get deleted, right? But I'm not going to use this keyboard, right? So what I will do, just hold tightly your iPhone devices and just shake it, and now you can see undo typing. So now you can just click on this undo typing. Well, now your enter text or words has been removed or deleted. So if you want to retype it again or redo it again, just shake it once again and you can see your option redo to restore it back. So you can see here. So these tricks will gonna work with other application also. Even if you use a notes application also, here also you can just write, say hi as just written. So just let me shake it. So you can see here you're getting a same option. Just click on undo. So just shake it again to redo it again. So you can see here. So using these cool tricks you can delete any text or word without using keyboard in your iPhone smartphones. So if you never known about these cool tricks on how to delete any text or word without using keyboard in iPhone, then definitely you should try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.